And of course, I just want to also express that I fully support, of course, the armed forces of the Philippines. Have full respect and support as well, of course, to our commander-in-chief. But there are concerns on the ground. So we've had assurances. So I hope that moving forward, these things are kept top of mind as we move forward, especially with regard to our people and our communities.
We decided to bring it back to Ilocos Norte, where the value of the exercise is exponential compared to the value that was provided for us in Zambales. The waters in Ilocos Norte provide us the best training venue for both our AFP and also for the United States Armed Forces. Not to mention, it has better weather conditions here compared to other areas. Balikatan, from a purely security standpoint, is meant to improve the combat readiness for the AFP. That's the first. And tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, since we're doing it with a world-class partner, it also helps us set the standards for what the AFP could and should become in order for it to become a world-class armed forces.
We take this opportunity, as said by Colonel Lohico, to enhance our capability. From time to time naman po, we always inform the governor if we have a unilateral exercises, particularly on how we would further enhance our interoperability with other government agencies.
Rest assured that we will work to the best of our ability to keep you safe, not only during these exercises, but during every need. And of course, we give our full support to the provincial government and all its efforts, initiatives para po mapanatiling safe and secured ang ating probinsya.